Right, hello, and welcome to the burglar alarm test. There's no request for this. I just thought I'd do this randomly, and I'll be doing system test 2, possibly later on. So yeah, that's the boiler there. Is that what you need to be looking at? So I'm gonna put this in engineering mode. No, in fact, put it on walk test mode first. So that's the strobe. So you to see the strobe if we can see it. Let's see if the camera picks it up. There. Leave the window open so you can hear the sound. It is quite loud. So, yeah. So yeah, you heard that. I'm worried about the internal buzzer. Forgot about that. No, that's chime. Keep that going for a bit. You can actually hear it for the whole house. Through here. And so that's the internal buzzer. I'll do a panic button test. But I'm gonna have to disconnect the bell box. See you there a minute. Engine mode. I'm gonna tamper activation then. We need to move the wire out of bell trigger, which is, I'm not sure if you can see, this one here. I'll just remove that now. I've got motion sensors as well. There's one in this room and one in the hallway. We'll just give that a try out now. Yeah, that works. I would have set off the bell box by now. So now I'm gonna place the cover. If you just did that ting, then that was a tamper swing being depressed. Just make sure that was fully depressed. Press this. There we are. There you are. That was that. I'll do a walk test. I think this one near zone 2. Yep, I'm correct. And the one in the hallway is zone 3. So we've got 4 zones, Tampa and PA. And supply and day. Daylight's flashing, that's that one there. That's flashing, that's daylight. So maybe we're in a test sequence, and I'll do a 5 test. You're wondering what that speaker is there? That's a panic option as well on this. See? It's the same thing as pressing this. Yeah. Not sure if there's anything else. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.